Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Robb Moffett. Happy Easter, everybody. Just want to do a real quick video. I had somebody, or actually a couple of people, recently asked me where to find videos on my channel that they knew I had made. They couldn't find it. I've got over 1,000 videos, and I have a lot of playlists. Sometimes it's hard to find the stuff. If you go up here to the top of any channel, you should have a little icon. It looks like a magnifying glass. If you don't, it's because your page is at 100% like mine is. But you have these little arrows on the side. If you just click, and you can find the icon, this little magnifying glass. When you click on it, you get a search box. You can plug in anything. Let's plug in dog. How many videos have I made about dogs? I don't know. We're going to find out. Look, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, like, anything, the person wanted to know about trampolines, and I had made a couple, and they couldn't find it. So you could, if you're interested in anything, if you go to a large channel like mine, and you plug in the word garden, boom, there you go. This is all my garden videos, at least all the ones I entered a word garden for the search purposes. So this is a tip I think would help a lot of people, to help them get a lot more enjoyment out of YouTube. Now, another tip is that a lot of people don't realize when they're watching a video that they can alter the speed. If you go to any video on YouTube, there's a little wheel icon right here, and when you open it, you can adjust the speed for the playback. You can also slow it down. But I watch a lot of mine at 1.75, and I don't seem to lose much. Some people from New York, they're already at 1.75. You can't speed them up. But other people, you wish there was 2.75. So it's very handy. The third tip I want to give people for their viewing enjoyment on YouTube, I don't know why, but most people that I watch on YouTube, when I go to their channel, they don't have any videos, but they don't even have any playlist. Anybody can make a playlist. You're just saving stuff you like. And I've got tons of playlists, and I go to channels and they don't have a single one. Not even music. One of the best things about YouTube is you can make playlists of music that you like. And it's an amazing amount of music you get on YouTube. So, I've got 456 videos. This is mostly popular music, but I also have old music I like from the 20s and teens, and then classical music, but this is mostly popular music. But I like watching or listening to what other people have saved, what's their favorite. I learn new things about new artists all the time. But basically, I want to let you know, use the wheel icon to speed stuff up, and use that little icon, looks like a magnifying glass, for searching. You can find out so much stuff on people's channel that are helpful to you that you might not have known was there. In fact, it helps me too, because sometimes I forgot I made a video. I'm getting ready to make another one. I'm the same thing. Oh, I don't want to do that. I made one 8 years ago. Guys, hope this was helpful to you. You're all having a happy Easter, and y'all come back, watch more videos. Take care. See you out there.